Hi, thank you for viewing my project. I'm just going to go through the 4 key parts of my project website and explain to you some of the activities I'm going to be doing and what the final end product is. So this project is split into 2 parts. Part A is the end product and Part B is just an in-class test that you can give the students to test their knowledge to see whether they understood what they did in Part A. So Part A is where the students are going to be creating a project, which is a poster on Canva that they can use as a referencing tool or a visual aid for Part B, which is the test or any other future projects. So to begin with, we have our homepage where I'm basically just explaining what we are doing in this project. My work is also licensed. The project overview outlines the subject area, which is mathematics, and the year level. We're doing year 8. I just go through the task, how it links to the curriculum, both the curriculum and the technology curriculum, the learning outcomes that we hope to achieve both for the subject and the technologies, the presentation that this can be applicable to, and how it relates to the meaningful learning framework. This is an example of what the sample end product may look like. Obviously, the students will want to use more creativity because this is quite simple. It shouldn't look exactly like this. They need to use their own So the project content. I have created 7 possible lesson plans that can be used, but it needs to be differentiated based on the level that the students are at. So the first lesson can be around 45 minutes. Begin with testing the students' prior knowledge. I have put out an example of something that you can use in your class. Then the students can watch a video. And here's another example of what you can put up on the whiteboard for your students. I have also created some worksheets with questions, and I have also provided the solutions to those worksheets, which will make it easier for you to teach. Just go through them. This is the task outline. You can change it up to match what your class is doing, but this is an example of something that you can use for this particular project. Here's the same sample end product as in the project overview page. There will be 2 lessons allocated, well, a lesson and a half allocated to this project where the students can complete it in class. If you want, they can also complete it in their own time at home or in the library. The 7th lesson, the final lesson, is the in-class test. I have developed a possible test that the students can use, plus the solutions if you would like to use it. The final page is a little reflection about myself and my contact details if you need to contact me. Thank you.